Welcome to our channel where we will tell you about the best cars that have been created by humans. The Ferrari 250 GTO, produced between 1962 and 1964, stands as one of the most legendary and sought-after cars in automotive history. This iconic vehicle is not only a masterpiece of engineering and design but also a symbol of Ferrari's racing dominance during the 1960s. Here's an in-depth look at the Ferrari 250 GTO. Historical context and development. Genesis: the 250 GTO was developed to compete in the FIA's Group 3 Grand Touring car category. It was a product of Ferrari's relentless pursuit of racing excellence, embodying the brand's commitment to performance and style. Design and engineering. Under the guidance of Giotto Bizzarini, the 250 GTO was designed with a focus on aerodynamics. The car's development was later completed by Mauro Forghieri and Sergio Scaglietti after Bizzarini left Ferrari. Technical specifications. Engine and performance. The heart of the 250 GTO was a Tipo 168/62 V12 engine. This 3.0-liter engine, producing around 300 horsepower, was capable of propelling the car to over 170 miles per hour, an impressive feat at the time. Chassis and body. The 250 GTO utilized a hand-welded tube frame with a lightweight aluminum body. Its design included a long nose to accommodate the V12 engine, a low roofline, and a distinctive rear spoiler for increased downforce. Track success. The 250 GTO saw immense success in racing, securing Ferrari's dominance in international GT racing. It won the over 2,000 cubic centimeters class of the FIA's International Championship for GT manufacturers in 1962, 1963, and 1964. Notable victories. Its track achievements include victories in prestigious races like the Tour de France Automobile and class wins at the Le Mans 24 Hours. Cultural impact and legacy. Exclusivity and value. With only 36 units ever made, the 250 GTO is one of the rarest and most desirable collector cars. Its value has skyrocketed over the years, with models fetching record-breaking prices at auctions. Icon of automotive history, the 250 GTO is not just a car, it's a cultural icon, representing the pinnacle of classic sports cars. It's admired for its beauty, racing history, and represents the golden era of GT racing. The 250 GTO in popular culture. Collector's gem. The car has a legendary status among collectors and enthusiasts, often headlining classic car shows and events. In media and films, while not prominently featured in mainstream movies like some of its contemporaries, the 250 GTO holds a special place in documentaries and media pieces focusing on classic cars and motorsports history. The Ferrari 250 GTO encapsulates a perfect blend of art and function. It stands as a testament to Ferrari's engineering prowess and an everlasting icon that continues to captivate car enthusiasts around the world. Its story is one of technological innovation, racing success, and timeless appeal, making it more than just a car, it's a piece of automotive legend. The Porsche 911, first introduced in 1964 and continuing its production run through 1973 as part of its first generation, is not merely a car but a phenomenon in the automotive world. This era of the Porsche 911 heralded a new chapter for the brand and set the stage for what would become one of the most enduring and iconic sports cars in history. Origin and design philosophy. Development. The first-generation Porsche 911 was a successor to the Porsche 356 and represented a significant leap forward in terms of performance and design. The development of the 911 was overseen by Ferdinand Buzzi Porsche, the grandson of the company's founder. It was his vision that shaped the classic 911 silhouette, a design so timeless that it remains largely unchanged even in modern iterations. Design features. The original 911 featured an air-cooled rear-engine setup, initially with a 2.0-liter flat-six engine. This configuration was significant as it gave the car its unique handling characteristics and became a defining trait of the Porsche brand. The sleek, flowing lines, the sloping rear, and the distinctive headlights became synonymous with the Porsche aesthetic. Technical innovations and performance. Engineering marvel. the Porsche 911 was not only about looks, it was an engineering marvel of its time. The flat-six engine was capable of producing 130 horsepower, a significant figure for the era. This power, combined with the car's lightweight design, allowed for impressive performance and agility, making it a favorite on both the road and the racetrack. Continuous evolution. Throughout its first generation, the 911 saw numerous improvements and variations, including the introduction of more powerful engines and better handling dynamics. Models like the 911S, introduced in 1967 with a more powerful engine and better brakes, and the 911E, which replaced the 911L in 1968, showcased Porsche's commitment to continuous improvement. Racing heritage and cultural impact. Dominance in motorsport. The Porsche 911's racing pedigree was established early in its life. It became a formidable competitor in various forms of motorsports, from rally racing to circuit racing. Its agility, reliability, and performance made it a popular choice for privateers and professional racing teams alike. Iconic status. Beyond its racing success, the Porsche 911 became a cultural icon. Its distinct design and exceptional performance made it a symbol of automotive excellence. It found its way into popular culture, becoming a favorite among celebrities and car enthusiasts and often featured in films and media. Legacy and influence. Enduring legacy. The first generation of the Porsche 911 laid the groundwork for a model that has enjoyed continuous production for over 50 years. Its influence can be seen in every subsequent generation of the 911, each of which has built upon the original's foundations while adapting to modern technologies and trends. Collectability and reverence. Today, first-generation Porsche 911s are highly sought after by collectors. They are not just vehicles but pieces of history that represent a golden era of automotive design and engineering. Porsche 911 is more than just a classic sports car, it's a cornerstone in automotive history. Its blend of beautiful design, innovative engineering, and racing success has cemented its place as one of the most iconic and revered vehicles ever produced. The story of the first-generation 911 is a testament to Porsche's vision and engineering prowess, and its legacy continues to influence the design and performance of sports cars today. The Jaguar E-Type, produced from 1961 to 1975, is one of the most iconic and revered sports cars in automotive history. Its blend of stunning design, high performance, and innovative engineering has earned it a legendary status. Here's an in-depth exploration of the Jaguar E-Type. Genesis and design revolution. Launch and reception. Revealed to the world at the Geneva Motor Show in 1961, the E-Type's unveiling was nothing short of a sensation. Its sleek design, long hood, and performance figures captured the imagination of car enthusiasts and the general public alike. Design innovation. The E-Type's design was the brainchild of Malcolm Sayer, a former aircraft designer. Its aerodynamic shape was heavily influenced by Jaguar's D-Type racing cars. The car's distinctively elongated front end and sculpted curves were not just aesthetically pleasing but also functionally effective. Technical mastery and performance. Engine and mechanics. Initially equipped with a 3.8-liter straight-six engine, the E-Type's performance was exceptional, with a top speed of about 150 miles per hour and acceleration from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 7 seconds. Later models saw the introduction of a 4.2-liter engine and eventually a V12 in the Series 3. Handling and drivability. The E-Type was praised for its handling, owed in part to its independent coil spring rear suspension and torsion bar front end. Its four-wheel disc brakes were a novelty at the time, contributing to its reputation as a driver's car. Cultural impact and iconic status. Symbol of the swinging 60s, the E-Type became a symbol of the 1960s cultural revolution. Its association with celebrities and its appearance in various films and media cemented its status as a cultural icon. Enduring legacy. The E-Type's allure has not waned over the years. It remains a highly coveted classic car, celebrated in countless shows, rallies, and museums worldwide. It's often cited in lists of the most beautiful cars ever made. The E-Type in motorsport. Racing heritage. While known more for its road prowess, the E-Type also had a notable racing career. Private teams and drivers campaigned it in various events, and it achieved considerable success, particularly in GT racing. Evolution and variants. Series evolution. The E-Type underwent several changes throughout its production run. The Series 1 is the most revered, with its covered headlights and toggle switches. The Series 2 and 3 introduced several design changes and mechanical improvements. Special models and limited editions. Jaguar also produced a limited number of lightweight E-Types designed specifically for racing, which are now among the most valuable E-Types. The Jaguar E-Type is not just a car, it's an enduring symbol of automotive artistry and engineering excellence. Its significance extends beyond the realms of car enthusiasts to being a true cultural and design icon of the 20th century. The E-Type's legacy is a testament to Jaguar's vision and commitment to pushing the boundaries of what a sports car could be. It remains a touchstone in the automotive world, a car that encapsulates the spirit of its time while continuing to inspire and captivate.